Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and readying the Kodak dock so printing goes smoothly. Plug the USB-C or AC adapter in, wait for the LED to show steady power, because unstable power interrupts transfers. Once done, open the paper tray and load the photo paper glossy side up, aligning with the guide so jams are less likely. Then install the Kodak Dock app on your phone. Enable Bluetooth and storage permission. This connects your device and lets you choose print settings. Next, you connect and configure the print job so results match expectations. Open the Kodak Dock app, tap Connect and choose your printer from the Bluetooth list because pairing ensures fast transfers. Once paired, pick the photo and adjust size, crop, and quality. Select one for square prints or 4x3 for standard shots, and tweak brightness as needed. Use the preview to confirm framing, apply filters sparingly, and choose single or double prints. This prevents wasted paper and keeps colors accurate. Finally, you send the job and finish carefully so each photo comes out perfect. Tap Print in the app and watch the progress bar. The printer LED and app will confirm when done, because premature removal causes smudges. When the photo exits, slide it out slowly and let it cool for 30 to 60 seconds before stacking to avoid fingerprints. If a jam or misfeed happens, power off, clear the paper path gently, reopen the app for a fresh connection, and retry. That reset fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.